Welcome back to my channel. Hey lovely viewers, today, I've got a skincare treat for you, a basic yet game-changing DIY Winter Glow Serum, packed with goodness of natural ingredients and magical oils. So, if you want to revitalize your winter skincare routine, then keep watching. This one's for you. Begin by adding 3 tablespoons of rose water or distilled water in a clean, dried glass or bowl. It soothes the skin and restores skin's pH levels. It's going to be the base of our serum. To this, add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It provides intense hydration without greasy feel, calms irritated skin and reduces redness. Add 10 to 15 drops of argan oil. Argan oil is a natural emollient, rich in fatty acids, deeply moisturizes, softens and smoothens the skin. Incorporate 10 to 15 drops of rose oil. Rose oil has anti-aging properties. It firms and tones the skin and enhances skin's radiance. Also, it will add a calming scent to the serum. Mix thoroughly. Gently stir all the ingredients to ensure an even distribution. You can adjust the ingredient ratios according to your skin's needs and preferences. Lastly, add few drops of almond oil for some extra nourishment. Transfer this skin-loving blend to a clean glass bottle. Apply a small amount of the serum to cleansed skin, preferably before bedtime. Massage it in circular motions for better absorption. Incorporating this serum into your winter skincare routine can enhance your skin's resilience, leaving you with a refreshed, radiant, and even-toned skin. Seal the bottle tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. This helps maintain the efficacy of the ingredients. Try this luxurious serum and let me know your experience in the comments down below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and DIY recipes.